corporate IT companies. I see so many women now out there in the IT field. So I think somewhere now, it has to be like, okay, are we growing in our values? Are women really putting in the efforts to grow their value? Because it should not be like, the things have changed externally, but we are still under negotiating business deals and we are still under negotiating corporate salaries. It should be like, I would love if there's a law, in the country that, puts everyone on the same scale, but at the same time, I think now the external issues will keep moving ahead. They will change with time, with all the innovation and everything. What really needs is for the women to now start growing their values. And when I say that, when we go to corporates to give them seminars, what we learn is, women need to spend more time on developing themselves, like attending more sessions, reading more. The energy of a woman is always diverted, right? It's spread in the household, it's spread with the friends, the social circle, the husband, the kids, the job, everything else, right? So there is very little energy that they have now left where they can develop themselves and bring themselves up. So I think if we start to know our value, grow our value, and put that on the table, it should really help.